Hi, welcome to River Heights. I'm Bruce Kowalchuk with Century 21, and we are at a terrific mid-block location between Kingsway and Grosvenor, and 312 Waterloo Street is for sale. The modernized character of this two-story really shows off its style and function with its side hall plan. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, an office off the living room with windows to the front and back. The basement is fully finished, plus there's a gorgeous wraparound deck and a brand new 24 by 24 garage. The house has been lovingly maintained and fully upgraded inside and out. The owners have thoroughly enjoyed this home and everything River Heights has to offer, and it is move-in ready for your family. Let's go take a look. Thank you for watching our video of 312 Waterloo Street. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or your favorite realtor. We would be happy to help.